Today is 6/7/24 and we're looking at a VW GTI with 123,212 miles. Check engine lights on, and owner says they parked here for 6 months and all of a sudden the brakes are stuck. So you can see it, but it doesn't come back up very easy. And so the car we're dealing with is a 2007, VIN number 99237 at the end. The car looks like it's in pretty good shape. The brake lights are on. Let's see if I can release it. It does release. That's good. And overall, the car looks in pretty good condition. The owner says that you can get water coming in. I see water here. But where is the water coming from? You can see moisture. How's our sunroof doing? Sunroof opens. That's a good sign. Airbag looks like someone's tried to broken in. Interior looks great. Jumper cables in the back. Alright. And let's see a good old drive. Handbrakes down. Hit drive. And it doesn't want to drive. It really feels like it's stuck. It does drive.